Hey guys, Sylvie here and welcome all to my 50k case study review. So, the one and only Kevin Fahey has released this amazing case study. And who doesn't love a good case study? Well, I know I certainly do, guys. And here is the product, so I'll show you around. I have checked all of it out. It definitely gets my stamp of approval, and I happen to be pretty picky as to what products I actually recommend. Alright guys, I must say I'm pretty blown away by the quality of this case study. It's very, very thorough, very transparent, very well comprehensive, and it is a case study of, it's just amazing to me how Kevin has this ability, but it doesn't surprise me really. It's almost 3 decades of experience we are talking about, okay? So he is the legend in the internet marketing arena. But it's amazing to me how he is capable of turning one product into another one, okay? And they're also high quality, so real, like this study is just like the best of the best. The realness is through the roof. He says this is what worked for me, this what didn't quite work for me. So he goes through all of the ins and outs of how to turn a launch, a product, be it a small, a big one, or whatever kind of information product you put out there. He's not into software development. He's into putting together information products, and it can be the most simple product you can think of. You know, it's just a good idea that you need to turn into something concrete, because the ideas are floating around in the air, begging for manifestation, and it's really like grabbing the idea and turning that into something tangible, okay? But that's maybe getting a little bit too philosophical. Going back to case study, so he was like, okay, let me show you how I made my previous launch called Fresh. You may remember Kevin's previous launch called Fresh, right? Some of you might have gotten this product from me. I know I did recommend it and I did promote it and I did review it a few weeks ago. It was a massive success. So this case study is based on his successful launch, but not only that, because in the videos, Kevin also goes through some of his, well, all of his launches really. He goes into his Warrior Plus account and shows you very transparently how pretty much all of his launches have done and why, Fresh, which is one of the upsells. So if you haven't picked it up then, pick it up now, because you will have it available at a dime sale. It's one of the upsells. We'll go through the funnel. Guys, actually you have my written review where I put everything nicely together here for you, with all of the bonuses. I also give you all of the features and benefits of this product and also the whole funnel. So please go through that information. You see you have the funnel, the front end only $9.95. Okay, here is the sales page. So no, this is the members area. The sales page is right here. So as you can see, as of the 1st of December, the price will jump to $19.95. For now, it's only $9.95. So it is the dime sale. Okay, guys, and you will be, hearing right from the horse's mouth. Okay, so Kevin has been there, done it, got plenty of t-shirts. So he's really speaking from experience. He's been in the trenches, and again, I love a good case study. So go check out that review. You'll see all of the bonuses I also give you, but I just want to give you as much information about this product as I can. Okay, going back to the members area. So guys, you have an overview of this product, obviously all, recorded by Kevin, with his unique, very real style. Yeah, he's one of my favorite vendors, and there's plenty of reasons as to why this is the case. What I most appreciate about him is how he's built up his empire, his kingdom, if you may. Okay, it's all based on being loyal to his passion. and of course passionate about what he does, consistent, persistent, yet so humble and down to earth. It is really a beautiful experience, okay? Something beautiful to witness. I don't know, it's just the older I grow, the more I appreciate people being humble, because this is the real sign of confidence. I think confidence, real confidence, is really rooted in humility, right? So yeah, I mean, he knows what his stuff, yet, always asks for feedback, knows how to do it, knows how to receive feedback. It's just something magical. Okay, guys, so what am I showing you? Yeah, this is the case. Is it the... No, that's actually Kevin from the VSL. What am I showing you? Am I showing you the members area or the sales page? So, sorry, I got mixed up. No, I'm actually showing you the JV page. Okay, let's go back to the members area. Here we are. Okay, so this is the overview. Now below you will have the upsells. Guys, read about the upsells from my written review. You have the prices, you have, I listed all of the upsells you have here, so go educate yourself on it. And if you have not picked up Fresh, I strongly recommend you do pick it up. It turned out to be a massive success, and this is the case study. This case study is precisely about this launch, the launch of Fresh. It's still very fresh. It's like an evergreen offer. It's your best source of free traffic, guys, and then where you can list your reports, which will rank on Google. It has been, going on for months now, so it's been time and battle tested, as they say. So you've got some beautiful upsells here for sure. But going back to the members area, we also have, so these are the training videos. This whole case study will take you just over an hour to go through, and you will learn, as I said, straight from the horse's mouth. Guys, this is priceless because it's real, all backed up with real results. Nothing fake here, nothing. Okay, so the first video will be about quick launches versus big launches, ideas, profits, pricing. Then in the next one, he'll talk about price points, commissions, affiliates, prize money, all of that. So when you get people supporting you, okay? And again, do not be intimidated by the idea that Kevin is telling you, launch a product. No, it's learning from his experience. And at some point, if it's too early for you, it's too early for you. But start gathering the right kind of knowledge and start making real connections, because they will bear an excellent fruit, a very tasty fruit in the future. So think about like long term. Don't be short-sighted. Okay, next video is about the sales page. And I love how he reveals all of the mistakes he made. Okay, for his... I believe it was an excellent product. I love this product. I also gave my testimonial to Kevin about that product called, I believe that was called 5% transformation. Yeah, 5% transformation. I loved it. It was so good, but it didn't sell excellently well, fantastically well, because the sales page sort of had flaws, okay? And Kevin goes into the detail what he did wrong, and then he was like, put my hand up, yeah, and he admitted his mistakes. That's what I'm saying, like, he's so refreshingly humble. Okay, next video is about affiliate promotion, connections, reputation. Okay, this is something Kevin has worked his butt off, okay, for the reputation he now has, okay? He's got a beautiful reputation, and it's something he earned, and something that will withstand the storms, okay? Yeah, anyhow, I don't know, I'm in such a philosophical mood today. Next video is about Warrior Plus endorsement, improvements, and advertising, how to squeeze the Warrior Plus platform like a lemon to your advantage, okay? And then module number 6, the final one, is about the follow-up series and back-end promos. So you always want to think big, okay, outside of the box, and yeah. Anyhow, that's that. I have already revealed maybe too much, okay, but I do like to give you a thorough idea about what kind of product you would be potentially investing in, so I believe you fully educated now. If you have any questions, pop them down below my review. Go check out my written review if you wish to buy it from me. You'll get my bonuses as well. Okay, but I would really appreciate if... Anyhow, I always say that a good review is something that takes a lot of time to prepare, a lot of energy to invest into. And that's the most valuable thing for me. Like, when I watch a review and I decide to buy something from someone, it's because I see they have put work behind it and they put their heart and soul into preparing a good quality review that informs, that educates, okay, that is objective. And I don't know, when I watch reviews, I appreciate when people share their experience with the vendors as well, and the support, all of that. It all matters. Okay, guys, so if you wish to buy from me, I really appreciate it. Just smash the buy now button. If you do so, you're not going to be taken to the checkout, but to the sales page, as you can see, just $9.95. Go check out all of the upsells, decide what you want, apart from the front end, which is the case study, only under $10 for now until the 1st of December, and then the price will jump to $19.95. Right, guys, that's it. Love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Go check out my review in the description box. Bye bye.